Imagine sitting in your favorite chair, sipping your tea, when suddenly your leg feels heavy, or you notice unusual swelling. For many seniors, this can be the first warning sign of a dangerous blood clot. But here's the good news. Certain vitamins, backed by science, can actually help your body break down blood clots naturally and keep your circulation strong. In today's video, we will uncover 10 vitamin secrets that may help dissolve blood clots quickly and safely. Stay with me until the very end, because the last vitamin on our list is often overlooked. Yet it could make the biggest difference for your heart and your legs after 60. Blood clots can be life-threatening if ignored, especially as we age. They can block blood flow, cause pain, or even lead to strokes and heart attacks. But the amazing part is that nature has given us vitamins that support our blood, keep it flowing smoothly, and reduce the risk of clots forming. Today, I will walk you through 10 powerful vitamin secrets that every senior should know. I'll share real stories, simple explanations, and practical tips you can start using right away. Vitamin K2 is like a traffic officer for calcium in your body. It directs calcium away from your arteries and into your bones where it belongs. Why does this matter? Because calcium buildup in arteries can make blood clots worse. I remember a story about Mr. Daniels, a 72-year-old retired teacher. He had hardening of the arteries, and his doctor suggested adding vitamin K2-rich foods like natto, a Japanese soybean dish, and hard cheeses to his diet. Over time, his circulation improved and he felt less heaviness in his legs. This simple change gave him more confidence when walking with his grandchildren. Vitamin C strengthens the walls of your blood vessels. Strong vessels mean fewer chances of clots breaking loose. Think of it like this. If your water pipes are weak and leaky, blockages happen more easily, but strong pipes keep the water flowing. The same goes for your veins. Seniors who eat oranges, strawberries, or take vitamin C supplements often notice better energy and fewer bruises. Vitamin E is well known for helping the blood flow smoothly. It works a bit like natural aspirin, gently thinning the blood. I once met Mrs. Thompson, who was 68 and loved gardening. She struggled with cold hands and feet due to poor circulation. After her doctor recommended vitamin E from sunflower seeds and almonds, she noticed her hands stayed warmer even on cool mornings. That's the power of better blood flow. Vitamin D is famous for bone health, but it also helps reduce inflammation in your blood vessels. Less inflammation means fewer clots. Here's something fascinating. Seniors who spend just 20 minutes in the sun or take a vitamin D supplement often feel more energetic. One study showed that people with healthy vitamin D levels had fewer clotting issues after surgery. Imagine the sunshine itself being part of your protection. Niacin helps raise good cholesterol, which sweeps away fatty deposits in your blood vessels. Cleaner vessels mean less risk of clot formation. I'll never forget George, a 70-year-old who used to work in construction. He had high cholesterol and worried about heart disease. His doctor recommended niacin alongside his medications. Within months, his blood work improved, and he proudly said, "I feel like my pipes have been unclogged." High levels of homocysteine, an amino acid, can damage blood vessels and increase clot risks. Vitamin B6 helps break it down. Seniors who enjoy foods like bananas, chicken, and spinach get a natural supply of B6. One woman, 75 years old, told me she had struggled with leg cramps until she boosted her B6 intake. Not only did the cramps lessen, but her doctor noticed better circulation markers too. Vitamin B12 supports the production of healthy red blood cells. Weak or misshapen blood cells can slow circulation and make clots more likely. A senior named Martha, age 80, had been feeling constantly tired. Her doctor found she was low in B12. After adding B12 supplements and fortified cereals to her diet, her energy returned, and she even rejoined her church choir. Better blood health gave her back her voice, literally and figuratively. Folate works hand in hand with vitamins B6 and B12 to lower homocysteine levels. Together, they create a powerful trio against clotting risks. Think of folate as the glue that holds the process together. Leafy greens, beans, and fortified grains are excellent sources. Seniors who eat more folate-rich meals often report fewer dizzy spells and better focus because their blood is flowing more efficiently to the brain. Technically not a single vitamin, but omega-3 fatty acids combined with vitamins A and D create a powerful anti-clotting effect. Omega-3s reduce stickiness in blood platelets, making clots less likely. I remember a fisherman in his 60s who swore by eating sardines daily. He joked, "The fish keep me swimming longer." His doctor confirmed that his blood pressure and circulation were excellent, likely thanks to those omega-rich meals. While magnesium isn't technically a vitamin, it acts like one for your blood vessels. Magnesium relaxes the walls of your arteries, allowing blood to flow freely and reducing clot risk. One 74-year-old woman shared that after adding magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and spinach, her restless legs at night improved. She slept better, and her doctor noticed healthier blood pressure. Sometimes the simplest minerals make the biggest difference. So, there you have it. 10 vitamin secrets that may help dissolve blood clots quickly and keep your circulation strong. From vitamin K2 directing calcium away from your arteries, to vitamin E thinning the blood, to the B vitamins lowering homocysteine, each plays a powerful role in keeping your blood flowing. Remember, before starting any new supplement, always talk to your doctor, especially if you're on blood-thinning medications. These vitamins are powerful allies, but they must be used wisely. Now here's my question for you. Which of these vitamins are you already taking and which one surprised you the most today? Leave your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more senior health tips every week. Staying informed is one of the best ways to stay healthy and active after 60. Thank you for watching, and take care of your heart, your blood, and your beautiful life.